Alright, I've just sprayed the first cylinder down, actually with some WD-40, and wiped it a little bit. That's all that's been done to it. I'm getting ready to clean it, and then I'll go to the others. But I want to give a shot at this foaming gun cleaner. I used some different brand, but same kind of stuff on the heads, and it was amazing how quickly it took that stuff off. So we'll give it a shot. It's designed for carbon and removal and such, so we'll see. There's piston one. Most of the work was done by the foaming gun cleaner. It knocked 90% of it off just right off the bat. Foaming, you know, it doesn't work quite as good on the heads, where the heads I could have them turned upside down and they'd set. I could leave it setting on there. Of course, with the pistons in the block, it, you know, it slowly runs off, but still it stayed on long enough to release it. For the most part, just take a rag and got most of it off, and then touched it up with a little bit of carb cleaner at the end and wiped it down. Didn't take, that's about 2 minutes worth of work for that cylinder.